Intense heat is building across southern and southeastern parts of the country, with severe heatwave conditions and extreme fire dangers over the coming days. But relief is on its way. We've got a strong and gusty cold front that will bring showers and storms, setting us up for a really chilly weekend ahead. But we'll start off by looking at tomorrow's maximum temperatures, and it really highlights just how hot we're expecting it to get across South Australia, with widespread maximum temperatures in excess of 40 degrees, including a forecast maximum of 48 degrees at Unadatta and 42 degrees in Adelaide. Now this is going to be on the back of a really hot night tonight, with the temperatures hovering around 30 degrees for much of the night. Tomorrow will be hot across Victoria and Tasmania as well, a maximum of 35 degrees for Melbourne, and tomorrow night is going to be particularly hot for Victoria, including Melbourne, with the potential for February minimum records to be broken. Now, as we move into Thursday, however, those peak heat really shifts into western parts of New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania. And just noticing significantly cooler across large parts of South Australia, and that's in the wake of that cold front that I'll go into more detail in a minute. But for Melbourne, a real scorcher, forecasting 38 degrees, with the cold front moving through the metro area during the afternoon, and 32 degrees for Hobart. Now, the heatwave forecast for the next few days indicates low to severe heatwave conditions across large parts, and then building across parts of Tasmania before the heat really starts to get pushed away by that cold front and the much cooler air mass. So let's take a look at that cold front. Here we can see it moving across South Australia tomorrow. It's got very hot and gusty, dry northerly winds ahead of it, which will be elevating the fire dangers, and there's also the potential for raised dust, particularly in the northwesterly winds. We've got showers and storms both on and behind the change, but very little rainfall is expected. In fact, dry lightning may occur, which poses a fire risk as it may ignite fire on the ground. Also just noticing these gusty southwesterly winds behind it, bringing a few showers about the coastal areas as well. Now, as we move into Thursday, those gusty northerly winds will move into Victoria and Tasmania, really elevating the fire danger there. Now, the cold front will also collide with a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, and there is the potential for showers and storms, with heavy rainfall through central and eastern districts of Victoria developing during the afternoon and the evening. And then on Friday, those showers and storms are focused to move into eastern parts of Victoria and eastern parts of New South Wales, with again a severe thunderstorm risk, bringing heavy rainfall or damaging winds through those areas. Fire dangers for tomorrow, reaching extreme across southern parts of South Australia, including the Mount Lofty Ranges. And as we move into Thursday, those peak fire danger ratings will shift into Victoria and Tasmania, reaching extreme through central parts of Victoria. So we've got a really hot few days ahead, with a strong cold front behind it, and heading towards a very chilly weekend where we may even see a dusting of snow about alpine areas of Victoria and New South Wales. But if you live across those areas, it's important that you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via the Bureau's website, the app and social media. Otherwise, listen to all the advice from your local emergency services. We'll see you again next time. Bye for now.